Once upon a time, in the cheerful town of Alphabet Land, there lived a clever cat named Luna. Luna was not just an ordinary cat. She had a passion for adventures. As the sun rose one day, Luna decided to embark on a colorful adventure. To learn more about the world around her, especially the letter C. Luna strolled through a charming garden filled with flowers. She purred with delight as she discovered crimson roses, azure forget-me-nots, and golden daffodils. As Luna explored further, she encountered in a charming town of Cat Villa, where a special event was about to take place, the Cat Carnival. This extraordinary carnival was not like any other. It was a celebration of all things related to the letter C, and the feline citizens were eager to partake in the festivities. At the heart of the carnival grounds stood a colossal carousel, adorned with colorful letters of the alphabet. This was the Cat Carousel, where the town's curious cats lined up, eager to take a spin. As the carousel turned, each cat found themselves on a magical ride, passing by objects that started with the letter C. Candy canes, cupcakes, and even a cleverly crafted castle. In the corner of the carnival, Luna set up a cozy booth for face painting. Little kittens giggled with delight as they transformed into fierce lions, cunning foxes, and of course, cute cats with colorful patterns. Luna's artistic talents brought joy to every corner of the carnival. As the day unfolded, the cats enjoyed classic carnival treats like caramel popcorn, chocolate-covered strawberries, and creamy ice cream. The scent of delicious treats wafted through the air, tempting even the most disciplined cats to indulge in the tasty delights. Luna notices the adorable little cat's cubs playing joyfully in the garden. They tumbled, tussled, and laughed together. At the Cat Villa Circus, a dazzling display of acrobatics and clowning unfolded. The cats showcased their incredible agility, performing flips, spins, and high-flying tricks that left the audience in awe. At the Cat Carnival, under the glittering stars, the feline fashionistas held a Cats on the Ramp show. Whiskers twirled, tails swished, as cats strutted in coats of every color, from radiant reds to dazzling blues. Luna, the clever cat, twirled last, her calico fur catching the carnival lights. The kittens cheered, and Luna took a bow, the star of the most stylish cat carnival show. The highlight of the Cat Carnival was the grand finale. an extravagant fireworks display that painted the night sky with cascades of colors. The cats, young and old, gathered together to witness the breathtaking spectacle. As the last firework fizzled out, the cats of Cat Villa exchanged smiles and content purrs. The Cat Carnival had not only been a day of fun and games, but also a delightful opportunity for the kittens to learn about the letter C in the most enchanting way possible. And so, under the starlit sky, the cats of Cat Villa curled up in their cozy beds, dreaming of the wonderful day when the Cat Carnival had brought joy, laughter, and a whole lot of sea-themed magic to their charming town. Luna returned home. She learned that C stood for Circus, Carnival, canvases, caramel, and even clowns. The clever cat curled up for a cozy nap, dreaming of more colorful escapades in the enchanting world of letters. And so, the village slept under a canopy of twinkling stars, while Luna, the clever cat, with C for curiosity, awaited another day of delightful discoveries.